Alright, this is entry number 11 on this DIY Ty Droney build. I thought we would be in the air today for sure, but fix one issue and another issue arises. So, as you can see, the props are back off. For some reason, we tried to fly it yesterday, which I'll post the video later. It didn't come out so well. Well, it's still intact, so that's a plus. But anyways, something happened yesterday when we took it outside, and it, I guess, connected with the GPS, got a GPS signal, and for some reason, when you arm the engines, they don't spin anymore. And then when you look on Mission Planner, you see that there's a GPS lock. And so now I'm getting this solid blue light at the top of the flight controller. And looking at Mission Planner, yesterday when it was hooked up, for some reason it was thinking we were in Chicago. So I gotta figure that out and understand what the hell is going on there. So figure that logic, plus I got my adapters in, so I forget what these adapters are called, but anyways, I have to wire this guy using this breadboard because I'm lazy, to plug in to there so that I can upgrade the firmwares to get, so I can get both of these back in sync. So once that's in sync, we'll be able to get the radio telemetry so that we will totally be untethered, and we can watch with Mission Planner where the drone is going. That's even without a camera or anything. That is just pure radio telemetry. If you could bring it up. So yeah, you can kind of see right there. Well, I got it off now, but the GPS was tripping. So gotta figure that out. And it'll say armed here, but then down here it'll say GPS lock. So I don't know what the hell, I gotta figure that. But all the other controls work, so we get that figured out. And when we tried to fly yesterday, we found out that the props don't look like they're spinning like the right direction. Well, I checked the direction counterclockwise and clockwise. There's a whole sequence you got to do there, but then this engine over here looked way underpowered than the other three. So I gotta figure that out. So that's where we're at. And I don't know if I brought up the camera yet. The camera came in also. So what this is going to do is make the machine vision part of this drone easier. So pretty much all the logic is already programmed in this. So it's just a matter of connecting it with the Raspberry Pi, and which is connected to the flight controller, and get some totally autonomous movement just by the camera, and also have it recognize if you're a human or just an inanimate object. So that is going to be pretty cool if I can get that hooked up, actually when I get it hooked up. So that's the update, and this is my Sunday, but it's fun and it's all a learning experience. So enjoy your Sunday, and hopefully next time I'll have all the shit hooked up and at least have everything spinning, and we will be close to liftoff. Alrighty, see you guys in the next entry. Peace.